The powder bottle filling machine, Servo Auger type, is a highly precise and efficient solution designed for accurately dispensing dry powders into bottles, containers, or jars in pharmaceutical, food, chemical, and cosmetic industries. This machine utilizes a servo motor-driven auger screw system, which ensures consistent fill weights and high-speed operation with minimal product wastage. Built with a stainless steel frame and contact parts to comply with GMP standards, the Servo Auger filling system provides flexibility to handle a wide range of powders, including fine, free-flowing, and non-free-flowing materials. The machine features a no-bottle no-fill mechanism, bottle lifting arrangement for dust-free filling, and an easy-to-operate touchscreen interface for setting parameters like fill weight, auger speed, and dwell time. Its modular design allows quick changeovers and easy cleaning, making it ideal for batch production, as well as continuous filling operations requiring high accuracy, hygiene, and reliability.